Hi everyone, I'm Jess from Decoist, and today I'm going to show you how to make these giant Christmas ball decorations. Let's get started. Christmas is my favorite time of year, especially because the 24th is my birthday. Fun fact about me. Okay, let's get something to elevate our ball. I've chosen this little tin can from the dollar store. You're going to need to choose some spray paint. I went with this metallic gold by Rust-Oleum. It actually contains some gold flakes inside of it, so it'll give it a really nice shine. I've gone ahead and spray painted mine already. Okay, let's get decorating. Start with the foam snowflakes. I'm going to use some Elmer's glue and just glue that to the front face of the ball. Use your hands to smooth out any air bubbles that are caught underneath. Perfect. I've attached my plastic snowflake decorations together using E6000 super glue. This stuff is amazing when it comes to bonding plastics. I'm going to use this again and apply that to my white snowflake and stick it on our foam snowflake for an added touch. You're going to want to hold that on there for a couple minutes. Next up, the gem embellishments. I love how this turned out. Now I'm really getting in the Christmas spirit. Final step, take the deli cup and spray paint it metallic silver. Once that's dry, flip it over and use a pointy object to place a hole in the middle. Just like that. Take the coat hanger and the metal cutters and cut off the top part of the coat hook. Just like that. Now, I'm going to squish these two ends together with my needle nose pliers and slide it through the hole. Just like that. Now it's time to glue the top onto the ball. I'm using hot glue for this step, but if you live in a colder climate, I would recommend using some silicone caulking. Excellent, love it. Looks great. Use any rope or string of your choice. I've decided to use some clear fishing line. Tie a knot of that around the top of the hook, and then these DIY Christmas ornaments are ready to hang. Let's go decorate. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment below to let us know which DIY video you'd like to see next.